reviews of more than 15 companies where we have talked entirely about their interview structure, about their online test, how can you get into those companies, when do these companies hire off campus, and how can you prepare yourself for those companies better. So in this video I've come up with yet another amazing company that is known as DP World. So it's not dynamic programming, but it is Dubai Ports World. So this is basically a logistics and trade company that was established in 1972 in Dubai, and currently they have their headquarters in Dubai as well. Also, they have grown specifically to 97,000 employees in these years, and they have expanded to more than 78 countries. Also, if you don't know, this global logistics industry is going to expand 3 times of any other industry, be it e-commerce or be it telecommunication. So global logistics market is going to be a boom, and DP World is one of the largest player in this particular market. So there are currently 3 facets to their offerings. First is logistics, second is marine services, and third is economic zones. If we talk about logistics, so they're working really hard to bring unprecedented speed, control, and visibility across global supply chain. If we talk about the marine services, so they are planning to exercise their expertise on supplying cargo locally as well as globally, so that people can get whatever when they need and at any place. Third is basically economic zones. They are planning on to help grow economies throughout the world. In supply chain, DP World has always been innovating multiple different things. If we talk about some of their latest product offerings, so they have cargo suite of products. What is there in cargo suite of products? They have more than 12 enterprise services and solutions for effectively managing their supply chain. Secondly, they have Virgin Hyperloop One. It's a cargo system basically enabling fast and efficient delivery of palletized cargo around the world. Thirdly, they are even investing to solve unrealized problems of supply chain through very new concept of metaverse. So you can see this company is innovating in metaverse as well. So now you know about DP World, let's talk about how it is to work at DP World. So the hiring process for DP World is very specific. They look forward to individuals with intelligence as well as more inclination towards learning. Their biggest USP is that projects happen ground up here. Like you will be having that steep learning curve from starting that project from scratch and taking it up till the end. So that is something that will give you exposure to multiple different technologies. We'll talk about technologies also in the later part of the video, but this is something that will give you a feel of agile environment where you can give your inputs and those inputs are going to be respected a lot. Moreover, it's a very big stable company. It's an MNC, so there's a job security thing that is always aligned to it. So now you know how is the work at DP World, but you might be curious about the technologies that they work upon. So they have multiple different products in which they are using AI, ML, robotic process automation, blockchain, and multiple different things. If you talk about technology specifically for backend, so you will find Java, Node.js, and .NET. If you talk about front end, so they're working upon React.js, Angular.js. Also, they have microservice based architecture and Microsoft Azure Cloud. As I've already told, their HQ is located in Dubai, but in India also they have expanded a lot. Currently, they have their biggest tech center in India, that is in Bangalore, with a 350 capacity. Along with that, they have their tech center in Hyderabad also, and they're planning to start up with a new tech center in Gurgaon. For that, the hiring is going on aggressively. I'll link the careers page of DP World in the description. You can go and check that out if you're planning to move to such a dynamic company like DP World. And talking about the roles, you'll find multiple different roles, be it SD1, SD2, senior managers. You'll find roles in product management, product analyst, product specialist. So different other roles and different other domains are there that you can explore, particularly inside DP World. On their careers page, you will find multiple of these openings on which you are eligible to apply for. So I'll be basically covering 2 roles, that is software developer and product specialist. If I talk about software development, so the first initial test you will be subjected to is a hacker rank test, in which you will be facing coding questions as well as MCQs. If I talk about the syllabus of this particular test, you will find questions based upon data structure algorithms, some more questions based upon SQL queries. Also, you will be tested upon your computer science fundamentals like operating systems, DBMS, and computer networks. Then there are interview rounds. Like in DP World, you will find around 3 to 5 interview rounds that might be conducted for software engineering roles. So of all these rounds, the first thing that you'll be tested upon is your problem solving. That is through your knowledge of data structure algorithms. Also, you might be asked some questions related to computer science fundamentals, your object oriented programming skills, and projects in general. Secondly, there will be some hiring manager round, or there will be some rounds in which your orientation towards the company, that is how well you understand that company, your interpersonal skills, your communication skills, and your ownership is something that they are going to judge in those rounds. So for product specialist roles also, there's going to be a test, online test. After that, there'll be interview rounds, which will be specifically based upon the hiring process, involving, like, you should know the in and out of how a marketing product actually looks like. So if we talk about the second role, that is product role or product sales specialist, so here you will be having two interview rounds. Your first interview round is going to be based upon your skills like lead generation, revenue handling, cold calling, and multiple other things. The second round will again be a HR or managerial round, in which you will be judged based upon your communication skills, on your degree of ownership, and how well you present yourself. So now the most important question, when do they actually hire and when can I apply for such a company? So they have their hiring timelines throughout the year. You will find multiple different positions on their careers website on which you can apply. If we talk about SD1, so if you have less than 3 years of experience, so you can apply for SD1 roles and you will definitely get a call from them if your resume and everything is all right. People also, there are multiple different roles. You just need to check on their careers portal and apply suitably. I'll link the careers portal in the description below. Make sure you do check that out. Now the last thing, that is tips for preparation. So if you're preparing for software engineering roles, as I've already told, their major intent is problem solving. So you should be good at data structure algorithm skills, your SQL skills, that is basically you should know about DBMS and SQL queries. Thirdly, computer science fundamentals, that is operating systems, DBMS, and computer networks. Along with that, you should be good at your presentation and you should be able to solve problems related to object-oriented programming. So this is basically what they focus more on. I would say if you are able to solve lead code medium problems, so you will be able to ace those interview rounds as well as the online test. So now I believe that you have got an understanding of how DP world works and what all things you need to prepare for this company. So let me keep the like target of this video as 1500 likes. If we hit that 1500 likes target, I'll be coming up with a new video very, very soon. So let's see you in some other video. Till then, all the best. Good luck. Bye.